Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find the color name of any image file without using third-party software in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have one image file on my desktop home screen. So you can see here it has tons of colors. So in order to find out the name of these colors of this respective image file, what you need to do is just open the pen software that comes preloaded with every Windows operating system, and now just drag the image file here, and now just select this color picker and say I want to find out the name of this respective color. So just place your color picker and just left mouse click on it. Now it will be picked up by using this color picker, and you can see here the color. Just place your mouse cursor. Now you can see it's a lavender color. That means this particular color is called a lavender color. So similarly you can do the same thing again. Just select the color picker again and say I want to find out the color of this respective color. So just place your color picker above it and just left mouse click on it, and now it will be picked up again, and just place your mouse cursor here. Now you can see it's a teal color. So you can repeat the same process if you want to find all the names of the respective color present in your respective image file. So by using this application named as Paint, you can easily find the color name of any image file without using third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.